So that was a day in the life of an instructional coach. I took you through one semi-regular day for me. It included a teacher meeting about instructional strategies. It included attending a PLC meeting for a team that I support. I met with a teacher about a team meeting for a different team that I'm going to be working with. Met with the team leader to go over some ideas for how to best present new information. And I met with all of our new teachers to introduce coaching cycles. So it was a full day. There was a lot to it. There were some other things kind of tucked in as well. Like I said, got a little busy as the day went on, and I'm actually making up today for yesterday. I am interested to hear your thoughts. If you were an instructional coach, does this look like a typical day for you too? I'd love to hear from you.